crazy.
Come on, let's go crazy. Alright, so how you feel about the water today?
It's beautiful outside today. Look at the sun. The sun is so... Whoa, are you making me laugh on camera?
Alright, go crazy. So how you feel about who the greatest dancer in New York?
I am. I'm definitely the greatest dancer.
No, fuck me.
So how you feel?
Nigga, that was me, nigga.
All
From
right.
New York.
But
Fuck
look,
me.
yeah.
That was me. Fuck.
Alright, so how y'all feel about the weather today? How you feel about the weather? Alright, come on. Alright, so yo, how you feel about the weather today?
I mean, everything is up and up, and it's going crazy.
If you had one place to travel to, where would you go?
I'm going to Paris.